Hey guys, it's your girl Naturally Nata here. Today I'm going to be reviewing this FreeKalon Curl Crush hair. It is in the style Zuri Curl Medium, which is 20 inches long and it's in the color 1B. I got this hair from SamsBeauty, one of my favorite websites for wigs and crochet hair. I've worked with them several times in the past and I freaking love them. They have such great products, fast shipping, everything's perfect, customer service on point, everything. So I love SamsBeauty, so I'm so happy that they sent these over for me to review. And wow, look how the freaking style turned out. I love it so much. This looks so perfect. This is how I want my natural hair to look like on a daily, like when I do like a wash and go or something. So this just gives you that really like perfect type of fro, which I love so much. I didn't fluff it too much. I could do some more separating, but I would kind of like to keep it more tamed at first, because as you sleep on it and as you wear it more, it will start to get bigger and frizzier. So I didn't separate it too much, and I still like the way that it really looks right now. I hope that you do too. I hope you're not like, that's too flat. I like it. So you can go in if you wanted it to be bigger. This hair is really good quality. You can separate it. I have a nice middle part right here that looks extremely natural. So in the video, I'm going to show you how I did that and also how I installed the hair. So if you're interested in seeing all of that, just please stay tuned. I am going to be doing a giveaway for these. So I use 5.5 packs. Somebody's going to be winning at least 6 to 8 packs. If you're interested in that, please stay tuned to the end of the videos, and don't forget to check the description box below so you can see how to enter the giveaway. And yeah, the only other thing I have to say is make sure that you're subscribed to my channel, of course, and make sure you got them post notifications on. As long as you got all that taken care of, we can go ahead and hop on into this video. Hey guys, so let's just hop right on into it. This is what the FreeKalon Curl Crush Zuri curls look like when they come in the box. They come in like cute little individual boxes. All of the curls are like twisty tied together. This is the medium style. They do have a shorter style and a longer style. The medium is in 20 inches, so that's what I have. I have my hair straight cornrowed to the back. I only did 6 cornrows. I'm not going to lie, I was feeling lazy. I didn't feel like doing an intricate braid pattern. I wanted to do something simple, and it still turned out really great because I'll show you why. At first, they were a little too spaced apart, the cornrows, but I'm going to show you how I fixed that. So I'm taking a curved needle and thread that I got from the beauty supply. The needle is threaded and knotted, and now I'm going to begin to sew the cornrows back up to my head so they won't be hanging loose, and then we'll go ahead and crochet the curls on top. Once I have the cornrows that I twisted to the side, I twisted 2 together and then sewed those back up, by the way. But once I have them sewed up, I just clip the excess thread off and tie it in about a triple knot. And then if there's any more thread left over, I'll clip that even shorter, and that is it. So this is what the curls look like once you take the twist tie off of them. They're really nice quality. I really like them. So what I do is start in the back. I take my crochet tool, of course, and I just pull one of the curls that I looped on my finger beneath the cornrow. Then I pull the length of the 2 curls that are hanging loose through that loop, and then I pull it tight. So as you can see, I have a curl that I loop on my finger like that. Then I put the crochet tool underneath the braid. I loop the curl onto the latch of the crochet tool, close it, pull up under the cornrow, open that loop right there, pull the 2 curls through, and then pull it tight. So as you can see, I'm almost done, so I'm going to show you how I finished it up. As you can see, there's a big gap in between the middle of my head, and I'm going to show you how I close that up to make a nice natural middle part, but it's looking really good other than that. And this was so quick to do. It took me about an hour, I would say. So now I'm taking the crochet tool, putting it up under the cornrow, taking the loop that I made with the curl, pulling it up under the cornrow with the crochet tool latched, Then I'll just knot it double time when I get to the front. You can double knot it or not. I show you both ways in this video. Right now I'm double knotting it, but in the back I did not. I like double knotting it because it just makes it more secure, but it's not really necessary. So as you can see, there is a huge space in between my two middle cornrows, and you can definitely tell this is a crochet style. I want to close that gap up so it just looks like we have a nice middle part. So I'm taking the threaded needle, another needle that I threaded, and I am going to go ahead and close that on up. I'm putting the needle up under one side of that cornrow, one of the cornrows, and then taking it all the way up under the second cornrow, and I'm basically just pulling those tight together. So what I'm doing is just putting it up under one cornrow and then putting it up under the other one, and then I'm just going to sew it together so you won't be able to tell that there's a huge gap in between my two middle cornrows. Once I've done that a few times, it's time to clip it off. So I just take my scissors and I knot it about 3 times and cut off the excess thread, and that's what we have. Now it looks way more natural. Now it's time to separate some of the curls, so that's what I'm doing right here. These curls are really nice quality, so it's very easy to separate. All you do is pull them apart and they'll come apart nicely. I have had some type of crochet hair like this where it was more difficult to pull apart because it was rougher. These are really sleek and smooth and very nice quality, so they just come nicely apart. They're so soft, it's so easy just to pull them apart. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I did not pull these apart too much because I did not want to create too much frizz right off the rip. So I'm just doing it just a little bit, not going too far in, but you can always separate as much as you want to get as much volume and fluffiness as you want. And I also like about this style that I did not have to clip any of the hair. I did not have to cut it to make it shape correctly. It just automatically shaped like this just from installing it, which is amazing. I did not have to take any scissors and shape this hair at all. And this is the finished style, guys. Once I get done separating, that's all there's left to do. And you're ready to rock your crochet style and look like you have a bomb curly twist out or something. I don't even know. These are the perfect like corkscrew ringlet curls. So if you're interested in winning these, don't forget to check the description box below for the giveaway rules. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel on your way out and check out some of my previous uploads. And I can't wait to hopefully see you in my next video. Bye.